Assalamualaikum and like. My name is Nurul Adilah binti Abu Bakar and I'm from Group 20. My lecturer is Dr. Marina Tah. I'm going to make a video about peripheral nervous system.
So, let's get started. So, our topic today is the peripheral nervous system. First of all, we need to know that the peripheral nervous system, or we call as PNS, lies outside the central nervous system and contains nerves, which are the bundles of axons. So, there are two nerves that are part of the PNS. The first one is the pairs of cranial nerve that connected to the brain. The second one is the pairs of spinal nerve that lie on the other side of the spinal cord. In this video, what you have to know is axons in the nerve are called nerve fibers. Second one is the cell bodies of neurons are found in the CNS or in the ganglia. Third one is the ganglia are collections of cell bodies in the PNS. So, basically, humans have 12 pairs of cranial nerve. So from the name itself, you can know that sensory nerve contains sensory nerve, motor nerve contains motor nerve, and mixed nerve contains both nerves. So it's mostly connected to the head, neck, and facial regions. For a spinal nerve, humans have 31 pairs of spinal nerve that emerge from the spinal cord. The dorsal root contains fibers of sensory neurons conducting nerve impulses to the spinal cord. Next, the cell body of a sensory neuron is in the dorsal root ganglion, and all spinal nerves are mixed nerves that conduct impulses to and from the spinal cord. Spinal nerves are mixed nerves with sensory and motor fibers, each serve its own region. Actually, there are two divisions of peripheral nervous system. First is somatic system and the second one is autonomic system. But I am going to explain to you only about somatic system. Basically, the somatic system includes the nerve that carries sensory information to the CNS and motor commands away from the CNS to the skin, joints, and skeletal muscles. To make it short, the voluntary control of the skeletal muscles always originates in the brain. Then, involuntary responses to stimuli involve the brain or just the spinal cord. Last but not least, reflex enable the body to react swiftly to the stimuli. To summarize, somatic motor pathway have both type of control, voluntary and involuntary. The location is most cranial and all spinal. Neurotransmitter is ACH and the effector skeletal muscles. Next is the reflex arc. So that picture is just to brief the whole pathways of how the reflex arc really works. As you can see there, the first one will be the receptor. Next, the sensory neuron across the spinal cord. And third one is integration center, motor neuron, and lastly, the effector. Here is the further explanation of reflex arc pathway. Firstly, the sensory receptors generate impulse to the spinal cord. Secondly, sensory neurons enter the cord dorsally and pass the signal to the interneurons. Then, the impulses travel along motor axons to an effector, resulting the stimulus response. Lastly, the muscle contracts as the result of the response.
Thanks for watching.